guys, welcome to Vlogging with Cats. So this is October 4. October 4, diba? October 4 and it's our first convocation. So I'm already ready because we have a mass at school in our church at the 3rd floor and we have a convocation after that. So let's go. Yay! Let's go to school now. Hi guys, that's my classmate by the way that is ahead of me, that one. Nicole, the girl. And a Mickey Mouse backpack. There. She's my classmate. We both got late. Let's go! That's our church. This is our church. Yan si Virgin Mary. Yan. This is. Garden pala namin sa school. Garden. Yan, convocation na. First quarter. That's me and my mommy. I got red card only. Puro picture eh. Na-excited ako eh. Ayun yung video. Nauna kasi yung picture kesa sa video. So guys, I'm top 2 pala. Yan may mga classmate ko and teacher. Yay! Pumunta ko ng Fantasy World. Tapos nakita ko din classmate ko dyan. Nakita ko din classmate ko dyan sa Fantasy World. Naglaro kami. Ang saya namin. Pumunta kami dun sa Blue Slide. Sobrang nabaliktad kami. Di kasi na-videoan ni mami kasi lobat na yung cellphone. SM Santa Mesa yan sa may katabi ng cinema. Fantasy World. Yeah. Ganyan yung parang yan, yung color red. Color blue naman yan, pero may mga bouncy pa, tapos mas mataas pa dyan. Yan yung color blue, yan yung color blue, nasa pinakagilid. Next time, mommy will video naman the Blue Slide because she didn't video it. Yung color, yung rainbow na slide na videohan niya. Yan, bumper car. Naipit kami. I don't know how to drive it, but di ka pa, di alam.
Ito, ganun ito. Ano mo yung yung manibela? Yan.
Then we eat at Tokyo.
Sige.
Before the Fantasy World. Before we go to Fantasy World pala.
Marunong ka na mag-drive.
Haba. Saya namin sa bumper car eh. Yan yung slide yun. Pero yung color blue na ganyan, mas mataas pa yan, diba? Sinabi ko na eh. Sobrang bilis tumamig yung likod ko. Yan ako. And wala pala si daddy dyan kasi may work si daddy ng Saturday. Saturday pala yan. Basketball. Eh, na-shoot ko. Required pa yung pala yung orange socks. Required. $722 kasama na ang Guardian. Thank you guys
And
for
socks.
watching. Bye!
Kasama
niyo. Yay!